You're about to watch the digital reconstruction of the entire brain of a worm called C. elegans, and you may be thinking, why are scientists mapping a worm's brain? Good question. Well, they didn't just map one brain, they actually mapped 8, all at different stages of life, so they could study how the brain changes throughout development. This is a big question in neuroscience, and studying it this way in worms actually makes perfect sense because C. elegans only have about 300 brain cells, making their brains much easier to map than the human brain, which has more like 70 billion. And what they found was that throughout life, the overall structure and appearance of the brain didn't change dramatically, but the connections between brain cells where signals are transmitted, which are called synapses, changed a whole bunch. Early in life, as the worms were just learning to control their bodies, the synapses that coordinate movements showed a lot of changes. But later in life, just as those synapses began to stabilize, others were becoming less stable. These synapses, which were more prone to changes later on, are likely to be involved in the development of more complex functions, like decision-making. And here, you can see all of the synapses in this entire animal's brain. If you found this interesting or learned something, please follow to learn more about science in the brain.